Good morning. Once again, we return in our remaining chapter. Today, we discuss about the role of opposition in our Indian democracy. First time we learned that what is opposition? What is opposition? What is opposite party? Okay, opposition means that type of party. hmm, The majorities, one political party get the majority. Okay, in our Assam, there are 126 assembly seats. hmm, 63 is half, and more than half, half plus one or more than half, it is the majority, and that party who get the who get 63 number of seats, that political party are from the government, and another political party who get the less of the majority, that political party are from the opposition. Okay, but during first, second, third general election, the opposite political party had not impact such in our Indian democracy. But that time Indian political party are could manage, okay, and played important role in our Indian democracy and run our India and democracy. In fourth general election in 1977, during the fourth general election, political party came into force. In the fourth general election, political party came into force. Okay, if we discuss that some country that have the bipolitical party, like the USA, like England, that are the a great impact, a great role played by the opposition party, like the country of USA, like the country of UK. Okay, because there are only two political party, If one party form the government, another party played the opposition party. Okay, so there are a good government run by the political party, and with the help of with the evolution of opposition political party. Okay, today we discuss about the some important role of opposition in our Indian democracy. First, safeguard the people interest by the opposition political party. First thing we learned that opposition political party safeguard the interest of the people rights. They work for the opposition party, work for the interest of the common people, mass people, and they are the good protector of our constitution. They are good protector of our constitution. If sometimes anyone, the government, from the side of government, try to violate the constitution, the opposition party work like a watchdog, ৰাতিৰ পোহনীৰ ৰাতিৰ যিটো কুকুৰ থাকে সেইবিলাক কুকুৰৰ দৰে watchdog, আচলতে কুকুৰ বেয়া ৱৰ্ড মিনিঙত কোৱা নাই, ৰাতিৰ কুকুৰ যিবিলাক অভিযোগে তেনেকুৱা, আমাক কি কৰে, প্ৰটেক্ট কৰি আছে, watchdog, কুকুৰ নহয় দেই, ডোন্ট মিন আণ্ডাৰ bad thing. Next, the opposition party serve their work for the development of the people, development of the people. The government implement many schemes. The government they try to come the many plan, many scheme for the development of the people, and that the opposition party, and that time opposition political party are sharply watch all of this work, all of these activities. Okay, and try to development of the community, of the people, of the mass people. Next, the number 3, the hopes and aspiration. The hopes and aspiration of the common people try to fulfill with the help of opposition political party. We know that in our country, in India is a big democracy, so sometimes the people's right, the people's hopes, aspiration, they could not assure, they could not success, but sometimes by the opposition, by the side of opposition, tried to fulfill all the hopes, aspirations, etc., etc. And number 4, the opposition played important role in our Indian democracy. Okay, the opposition party sometimes they also, sometimes not, they also alert to form an alternative government. If the government, the ruling party, sometimes came to in a crisis, sometimes came into the violence, that the opposition political party tried to form an alternative types of government, and it is the most important word. And number 5, to mold public opinion, to mold public opinion, public opinion, to mold public opinion in an effective manner, in a good manner. To mold it means to create public opinion. They try to make the awareness of the common people and mold the public opinion, create the public opinion to form another type of government in after the next election. Number 6, the political party try to remove the existing difference between ruling party and the opposition and the another party, ruling party and the common people. That if sometimes in a democratic country, in a big democratic country, sometimes existing the difference between common people and between the ruling party, between the government, and that time political party they work like a bridge, okay, and then the problem try to solve. And next, number 7, sorry, to increase the political awareness among the common people, among the mass people, to increase the political awareness among the mass people, among the common people, and it is an important role played by the opposition political party. And number 8, to make alert. Opposition political party are always try to they stay as a alert party, because any one time, any one situation, they can form the government. That types of situation they created. That types of situation they created by the opposition political party. It is the responsible. Opposition political party are responsible to make a government, and after the election, if any crisis, if any violence occurred by the ruling party, then the ruling party's public opinion had lost. Ruling party popularity had lost, and that time opposition political party are responsible to form another type of government after the election. Number 9, the opposition political party are to stop the government in work as a dictatorial or the autocratic government. The government, they should never do such types of work like a dictatorial, like a types of Hitlerian type of work, like a Nazi's like of work. They are never autocrat due to the work of opposition political party. Hitler, in the monarchical system, that types of work should never do by the government, the ruling party, and that work is done by the opposition political party. And last one, the opposition political party to make closer the people in a public opinion, in a government side. Always try to opposition political party are try to make closer of the people in the government side, in the political side. These are the important role of opposition political party in a democratic country, like in our India, also in all other democratic country. Okay, political party work for the common people, for the public, and they always try to form a alternative types of government. Now discuss the alliance or coalition government. Now we discuss about the alliance or coalition. So what is the meaning of alliance or the coalition government? Alliance or coalition government. If we know that India is a very big country, okay, India is a very big country, and there are more political party, more than 70 political party, okay, more than 70 political party, and there are some national political party, there are some regional political party. Sometimes the political party are, they do not get majority. Majority means more than half, okay, more than half plus 1, okay, half ko besi hole that is the majority. And sometimes in a big democratic country, the political party are do not get majority. That time two or more political party came and get together and make a coalition and form the government. That types of government is known as alliance or coalition government. It means friendship government. In our Assam, we know that BJP government, BJP political party has not majority, so make the alliance with the SGP and with the BPF. It is a type of alliance or coalition government. Next time we should discuss another thing. Okay, thank you.